is Κυριάκο, and within the next couple of minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can make money out of your smartphone or your laptop. First of all, I want to thank you for taking the time and the trust you showed to me in order to share with you those information. You see, in this short presentation, I'm going to show you the exact information that changed my life that you can use for your life in order to make money out of the internet. We live in an era, in a period of information where influencers, 19 years old, make more money out of the internet than the presidents and CEOs of countries. And this is something that I've been doing for the last 2.5 years, making full-time income, living in Cyprus and helping people do the same all over Cyprus, Greece, and the whole Europe. I spent a lot of time talking in stages. I spoke in more than 10 seminars within the last 2 years about this exact information. I spoke in front of more than 7,000 people. I helped more than 150 students of mine do the exact thing. And what I realized is this is my passion, okay? This is what I love doing. This is what I love sharing. And right now, I know that this is the most important period of time to share this information, 2020. Now, of course, don't make me wrong. I make a lot of money. I speak in many seminars. I have a lot of influence, but all these things will make you happy, but will make you comfortable. When you're comfortable, you're more creative. And when you're more creative, then you're closer to the happy. But don't expect money themselves to make you happy. Now, of course, it wasn't always like this. And I want you to understand, because I was a student. My story started when I was a student in University of Cyprus back 3.5 years ago when I was doing my bachelor degree of computer science. And I realized that what I was studying wasn't my passion. I'm not saying it's not a good way, it's not a good thing to study, but it wasn't my passion. I wasn't in love with it. I was making it because I knew that I could make a lot more money than any other job. And that's when I realized from the third year of my bachelor degree, okay, that's not what I'm gonna do for the rest of my life. And I realized I need to find what's my passion. For 14 months, I started 4 business projects, 2 startups, and 2 network marketing companies. All 4 failed. I failed, not because they do not work. We do know network marketing works, startup works, etc. My mindset didn't work. And then I came across the information I'm going to share with you in this short presentation. And 2.5 years after, actually 28 months, right now I'm making 3 multiple sources of income out of the internet. I make more money that more people make in a month in Cyprus and Greece. I make it in a week. I help more than 150 people in Cyprus and Greece and Europe do the exact same thing. And I spoke in more than 7,000 people about this information. And I actually want to share this with you. Okay, now number 1, keep your mind open on the information. And number 2, take notes. Note takers are money makers. Now my mission is to help 5,000 people all over Europe to build an extra income out of this information that you're going to learn. 20 people make 6 figures annually, and 200 people make 1,000 euros and above by investing 1 hour per day to study within the next 18 months. And that's my purpose. That has been my purpose for the last 1.5 years, and changing people's lives, following different seminars, learning this information, applying it for myself. Right now, my girlfriend, best friends, and people all over around me have this information and created one extra income stream out of it. And I want to share the same with you. Now, the reason that I'm doing this is because I started from nothing. I come from a refugees family, 7 brothers and sisters, millions of euros my family in debt, zero knowledge in business, and after 2.5 years, I'm making this full time. I'm making more money than my parents ever made, both combined, and I'm helping people all over the world to do the same exact thing. Now, there is one information that I want you to understand: the cash flow paradigm. Robert Kiyosaki, 25 years ago, wrote this amazing book, which he explains how somebody today can make money. 60% of the whole world works for someone else, employees. They exchange their time for money, and they don't even decide how much their time is worth. Their employer decides for them how much their time is worth. Now, 35% of the world is self-employed, the people that they work for themselves, but again, they exchange time for money. Those two categories are the 95% of all the world, and they generate 5% of all the money. On the other hand, we have business owners and investors, which is the 5% of the whole population, that they generate 95% of the whole wealth. The only difference is their mindset. And what I realized is that for the last 18 years, I've been studying to be on the 95% of the world. But I was doing it to make financial freedom. And then I realized I've invested 18 years in my studies, primary school, high school, university, and work, in order to make nothing, instead of focusing on what investors and business owners are doing. And that's what we're going to focus today. Now, today we're going to talk about trading. What is trading? Trading is the knowledge to understand, based on your knowledge and experience, when an asset is going to have increase in price or decrease. And depends on what you're going to decide, you're going to either buy or sell that specific asset. Now, what's an asset? Asset is different financial markets. We have Forex, which that's what we're going to discuss today, cryptocurrencies, stock market, penny stocks, indices, futures, real estate, oil, metals, etc., etc. And the reason that we focus on Forex is four. Number one, Forex is the largest financial market in the whole world. We are talking about 6 trillion of euros exchanged every single day. What does that mean? Let's say I have 100 euros and I exchange it in 80 pounds. Now that's Forex. That's Forex. Forex is not a company, it's not a group of companies, it's simply the exchange of one currency to another. And like the example of the 100 years that I just mentioned, think of it like tens of millions of examples like that happen every single day. And if you put all together, you'll come to 6 trillion euros per day. The reason number two, Forex is open 24 hours per day, 5 days per week. It's a market that people can get involved whenever they want. You work 9 to 5, you can do it. You're a student like I used to be, you can do it. You're a soldier, I used to be a soldier too, you can do it. You have your own business, you can do it. You have your own family, you can do it. You simply decide what time you're gonna study, what time you're gonna trade, and that's it. And all you need is 1 hour per day. Many people think that Forex trading, you need to be all day long in front of your computer. That's a myth. That's a myth broke people created. I can show you, I will actually show you how to be 1 hour per day in front of your computer and make full-time income. Now, reason number three that we're involved in Forex is because Forex, biggest participants are banks and governments. Right now, the money that you have in your bank and they give you an interest rate every single year, guess what? They get your money, they put it in Forex market through their traders, they make money out of your money for them, and they give you 1% interest rate per year. But they make 1% per week. What if you could make the same exact money for yourself? Now, everything I've mentioned about Forex is the same exact about cryptocurrencies with 3 differences. Number one, cryptocurrencies are simply digital currencies. They are not coins, not paper, they're code. Number two, cryptocurrencies are also a way that you can invest. And number three, cryptocurrencies are a way that you can send money faster and cheaper all over the world compared to sending money through the bank. Now, what is Forex trading? When we talk about Forex trading, we are talking about buying and selling. When you know that there is going to be an increase in the price of an exchange rate, you buy as low as possible. When you know that there is going to be an decrease, you sell as high as possible. Now, the important thing is that when you sell, somebody has to buy, because you sell to someone. When you buy, somebody has to sell, because you buy from someone. And we come to the conclusion that somebody has to always lose money in order for you to make money. Because let's say that I buy on a specific price of the exchange rate and somebody sells, one of the two of us will lose money. And most of the time, the people, the organizations that make money are the banks and the government, and the ones that they lose. And as I already mentioned, my goal, my vision is to help 5,000 people to build an extra income out of the Forex market. Or by 2020, 20 people build up 6 figures annually, 200 people make 1,000 euros and above per month, trading and learning 1 hour per day within the next 18 months. How? We've built the largest organization, the largest online academy in the whole world about Forex trading, binary trading, or cryptocurrencies trading. I am Mastery Academy. We have more than 250,000 students globally. We are almost $1 billion company globally. We operate in 70 countries. We have education in 12 languages. And right now we're expanding in your country. Now, the number one thing is our academy, think of it like university. The only difference with our academy and the university is that we operate fully online, because we have 250,000 students all over the world. We cannot put them in one campus, okay? That's why we operate online. The first part of our academy is videos. And the videos is you study them in order to learn the theory. Study the theory, basics, intermediate, advanced, to learn the knowledge, the theory, the terminologies about Forex trading. Second part is the lectures. Like university, while you learn the theory from the books, you go to the lectures. Same with us. While you learn the theory from the video, you go to the online lectures, webinars, to learn and apply and earn, make money with us. We have 107 educators all over the world, 12 languages. We have Poland, we have Czech Republic, we have English, Spanish, Portuguese, Greek, we have Italian, Slovenian, Croatian, and basically we have Japanese, and basically our educators, whatever you learn in theory from the videos, they show you, they teach you in your own language, live at the same moment. And the most important thing is that the educators, they give you trade ideas, signals, whatever you want to call it. Trade ideas is better. And what is that? Is that they give you 3 numbers. They are live. Like you watch me right now, they are live. They give you 3 numbers. You copy paste them. They tell you when to buy, when to sell, what to risk, where to put your profit. And if they make money, you make money. Our success ratio is 77%. And we have everything documented that yes, we make money. We have a group on Facebook, I Am Freedom. You can have access to it totally for free. Just shoot me a message. And basically, we document there everything. Whenever we make money, whenever we lose money, whenever we are break even. Break even means you don't lose, you don't make money. And yes, we do make money. We make around 5% per month. Think of this, 5% per month, simply copy and paste 3 numbers. Your bank, let's say you have money in the bank will need 5 years to give you that amount of profit. We make it in 1 month. Let's say you have real estate. You need 1 year in the best case scenario to make that profit in real estate. We make it in 1 month. Of course, past results do not guarantee future profits, but results which they recorded. And the last part is the tools. We have 15 different strategies, proven, profitable strategies that the educators created to save you time, money, and freedom out of your work. How the strategies work is basically the educator sends you again when to buy, when to sell. It comes on your phone, so you don't need to be in front of the computer 24/7. That's why I told you, you don't need to. You copy paste the 3 numbers, and if the educator makes money, you make money. And the best part about this, on the lecture of the educator is going to tell you, for example, guys, I told you to buy gold. And I told you to buy gold for this and that and that and that reason. So you know why you make money, why you lose money, and you understand the thought process behind. So while you earn, you learn. That's the best part of our academy. And an example is gold, which basically gold cap. Gold cap is a strategy which Luke Longmire, multi-millionaire gold trader. He trades only gold. He tells you when to buy, when to sell gold. You copy paste 3 numbers. If he makes money, you make money. The success ratio of this specific tool is 85%. And we have 15 more tools. And basically, we guide you. When you get to an intermediate level of knowledge and understanding, we guide you step by step, tool by tool, until you find the tool that is close to your psychology, close to your way of thinking, and close to the time you have available in order to trade. Now, the most important thing, time-wise, I'm not going to mention more tools, but we can discuss them together. And the most important thing for me is learn and learn on the go. Because we have group chats, communities in English on Telegram, which basically you get on them and you can chat with more than 2,000 students that we have in our organization. You can ask questions, solve questions. We announce weekly webinars that we are hosting, and we send you extra trade ideas. So basically, we send you extra ideas, when to buy, when to sell, what to risk, where to put profit, everything, all by your phone. Okay, now the last part that I want to mention is how somebody can become a student or a partner. But before to get there, I want to share with you some testimonials. So pay attention on those testimonials, and once we finish them, we move on how you can get started.
My name is Nofidos. I have joined the Academy the last 3 months, and the dedication, the guidance, the help from the team, everything has been great. I have increased my budget up, I would say, I think 7%. It has been amazing, incredible, and I highly suggest it.
Hey, my name is Haris Antoniou and I am a third-year student in marketing. I have started learning Forex 3 months ago. Thanks to Kyriakos and Academy, I have created my own Forex income with just 1 hour per day.
Our educational program goes for 18 months. And what I mean 18 months, I mean that in 18 months, you can build a full-time income out of it. You can quit any other job that you're doing and make money out of this and live the lifestyle you want. Of course, you are gonna make money before the 18 months. You can make money from the 3rd day if you have discipline and you follow exactly what we say on the trade ideas. For those 18 months, you decide if you're gonna pay your tuition fees 3 months, 6 months upfront, 12 months, or monthly. The 3 months tuition fees are, you can see on my screen in dollars. I'm gonna mention it pretty much in euros so you can have it in mind. 780 euros upfront for 3 months, 1,500 euros upfront for 6 months, 2,900 euros upfront for the whole year, or the monthly fees, which basically, if you want one educational program, then you choose either Forex, either binary or cryptocurrencies, which is 225 euros the first month. And then after the first month is 165 euros every 20 days. Or if you want all the three together, then it's 315 euros the first month and 165 euros every 28 days. And there's also an affiliate program attached to it. It's completely optional. If you want, you do it. And basically, by referring 2 students in our academy, as long as they pay their tuition fees, your monthly tuition fees are for free. This program is only for monthly tuition fees. And so you can think of it like you can save some of your monthly tuition fees. And on the other hand, you can also make the business side, again, it's optional. This is only for the people that they want to help other people, which you build your own organization of students. And as long as you increase your organization, you make another one extra monthly standard income out of the collaboration with the company. Again, it's optional, but if you're interested, with 3 students in your organization, you make $150 per month. 12 students, you make $600 per month. 30 students, you make $1,000 per month. 75 students, you make $2,000 per month. 275 students, $5,000 per month, and so on and so forth. And this is extra of what you can make out of your Forex profit. So you can make money from Forex and money from the affiliate part if you're interested. You don't have to do it. Thinking, you know, Kyriakos, that's really also bad. You know, 260 euros per month on this part of the world, it's a lot of money. And look, I get it. I'm from Cyprus. It's similar here. On the one side, I understand the way you think, but on the other side, think with me. You have the opportunity to talk with 6-figure, 7-figure, and 8-figure traders annually. You have the opportunity to get trade ideas on your phone, copy-paste 3 numbers, and make money with them, okay? And if you ask any of our students if this is worth it, he will tell you that's the most cheap, this is the cheapest thing that I've ever done in the whole world. And of course, it's also funny that we never question the way that we've been programmed from society. Think with me for a second. We've been programmed to go to primary school, high school, then university, make a loan of 50,000 euros at least, study for 5 years, to study and work our asses off just to make 1,000 euros, 1,500 euros, 2,000 euros max, and you work 60 hours per week, and you work the next 40 years to pay off your loan or to pay off the expenses you pay for your bachelor or even master degree. But we've never questioned that. It took me 5 years in my bachelor degree, and I never made a single euro. And then we come here in our academy, which basically you can make money in your first week if you have discipline and you follow exactly what we say. And you can achieve financial freedom in 18 months. I can promise you that if you follow exactly what I'm telling you. And then we start questioning it and think if it's worth it. It's worth it. I follow the system of society. I've studied in the best university of Cyprus. I paid a lot of money. I was working in the Netherlands as an employee, and I quitted everything and I'm doing this full time. I'm just mentioning this because we have to start thinking differently. We want different results, and that's your time. For everything else, we're here to solve your questions to get you started. Click the button below, shoot me a message, and let's get you started. Thank you so much. God bless you, and see you tomorrow.